Another name I like is this Ivanhoe Electric. We talked about last week a little bit. I talked about it on 1.8 here. It kind of just kept going sideways, so I like it still. Again, better risk, right? Where we're getting in at 17 and a quarter. Stop is around 16.50. And that gives you a 4.3% risk. Copper is a theme. Whatever you want to make of it, copper is a theme. You want more risk, I get it. You may want to do half size. Maybe you could use, 1578 or something like that. That's your choice. Where you how you want to play it. But I think that this Ivanhoe Electric, and going to the weekly chart, if you just want to see on the weekly, I mean, really, uh, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to do this. Right. So here it is on the weekly. You see there's all-time highs. And I think this one has a lot of potential if it can break out from here. Again, it did close at weekly all-time highs, right? That's pretty cool, right there. And yeah, looks really good. Again, look at this volume coming in here on the weekly chart. It really shows it well. So that's Ivanhoe Electric.